everyone, welcome back. If your Netflix controller keeps disconnecting while playing games, don't worry, this often can be fixed easily with a few steps. First, check your Wi-Fi connection. Weak or unstable internet is the main reason for disconnection, so restart your router if needed. Next, make sure your phone and TV both are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. If they are on a different networks, the controller will keep disconnecting. Next, swipe off on the bottom of your screen, close the Netflix app completely on both devices, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Start the game again and reconnect the controller. If the problem continues, restart your phone and TV. This clears connection errors and helps stabilize the link. Also, keep your Netflix app updated on both devices because outdated versions can cause frequent disconnections. Then try keeping your phone closer to the TV while playing to improve connection strength. If this does not work, log out and log back into the Netflix app and the Netflix controller app and try pairing again. Now your Netflix controller should stay connected without issues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.